Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a segment on the Strava application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open Strava application if you already have it downloaded in your phone or even tablet. Of course, if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open your application. Of course, if you have already an account and if it's your first time opening the application, it will actually ask you to log in into your account. But of course, if you don't have the application, you will have to create your account. Of course, they will give you three ways to do that: with Google, with Facebook, and with email. Just create your account if you don't have one. And once you do that, once you actually logged in and create your account, let me just go open the application. You'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And of course, here you will find in the home screen just your post that you already posted if you posted some. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to edit some segment or a segment on the Strava application, which is actually the posts on the Strava. So of course, let's as an example, we would like to edit this segment or this post. We would like just to click on it once, and that should open this page for us. Now, what I would like to do is just go at the top right corner and click at these three dots, and now I'll be able to edit this activity or segment, or I can even delete it. Of course, for us, we would like to edit it. And here you'll be able to edit the name, the activity, on the activity states, more details, visibility, and of course you have even the mute activity option. And of course, if you want to discard any unsafe changes, if you want to save nothing, because of course if you saved something, just if you change something, sorry, make sure to click at the save button at the top right corner, and here you are, your segment will be edited. So that's all be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.